Hello, and welcome to Carla AI's Summer Projects Showcase. For the past couple of months, we've trained a car to drive itself using reinforcement learning.
I'm Nikhil. I'm a second-year computer science student.
I'm TJ. I'm in fourth year Comp Eng.
I'm Ashwin. I'm in Comp Sci. And I'm the PM lead for the team. Well, going in, I had some understanding of supervised learning and convolutional neural networks, so I had a good start. Coming out, though, I learned a lot, especially about reinforcement learning, and I understood more of the math.
Going in, so I was like a novice, and like now I'm a beginner. So I think this is a good experience.
I joined with very limited knowledge, kind of like any other person that has just heard the buzzword being thrown around in businesses about machine learning and AI in general. Just learn about reinforcement learning as a whole and how that branch of machine learning can be applied in just the modern day and help me towards my life aspirations, pretty much.
The environment just gives you a car, and the car just goes throughout the map, and you can drive it. We thought, okay, how could we actually train this car to teach yourself how to drive? And that's the idea behind reinforcement learning is you give the car like a set of rules, like it can go forward, it can turn left, it can turn right, and it can brake. The car learns by just following those rules over time. It has a penalty system. So for example, every second the car goes in a straight line and it doesn't cross over into other lanes, it'll gain 5 points. If the car does something, a car shouldn't do, like it crashes into a pole, it's gonna lose like 200 points. That's how the code generally works. There's a way of doing it using neural networks, and the reason you use the neural network is because you have way too much data, and it's just a lot easier.
Oh, by the way, the source code is available online if you want to dive into it. Of course, we like to give credit where it's due and want to thank authors Philippe Rosa and Thomas Simonini for their open source contributions, which the program is largely based off of.